Hello and welcome. I am back with the current affairs rapid revision series. Last day we started this session and today in this segment we will study the next point. So let's start the session. If you are new in our channel e-education, then please like, share and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for regular updates. So let's start today's session. The newly built Mehergarh Bridge, which has been named as Jai Hind Bridge, is located in which state? So the newly built Mazerhat Bridge, which has been named as Jai Hind Bridge, is located in West Bengal. Okay. Next, which state Dandupur Railway Station? Which states Dandupur Railway Station to be renamed as Ma Barahi Devi Dham? These both are very important for railway exam. You have to read these questions again and again and you should memorize these things more deeply. Okay. So the current name of Ma Barahi Devi Dham is the railway station in Uttar Pradesh. Okay. And previously it was Dandupur railway station. Okay, clear? Next, which mountain peak has been declared 86 centimeter taller by Nepal and China in December 2020? Okay, so the right answer is Mount Everest. Okay, so China and Nepal claim that Mount Everest has been taller than 86 centimeter than before. Okay. So let's see next. Name the first union territory which has been declared 100% organic. So which UT has been declared as 100% organic when on 12 December 2020. So that is Lakshadweep. And you should remember one thing, that Lakshadweep is situated in the Arab Sagar, right? And Andaman and Nicobar is in Bay of Bengal, and Lakshadweep is a coral island of 36, a combined island of 36 island total. Okay, next, which state become the first in India to ban loose tobacco and cigarette sale? Okay, so first in India, which state to ban tobacco and cigarette sale? That is Punjab. Okay, clear? Next, which organization has released a white paper titled Vision 2035 Public Health Surveillance in India? So which organization? That is by Niti Aayog. Okay, this is also very important. Next, and it will important most for the banking exam. Okay, then India's first driverless train is operated on the Delhi metros. Which line? That is Magneto line. Okay, so there are violet line, yellow line and blue line and Magneto line. Okay, so the first driverless train is operated in Delhi's Magneto line. Okay, clear? Next, PM Narendra Modi has inaugurated Arogya Van and Sardar Patel Zoological Park in, so very important, Mr. Narendra Damodar Das Modi has inaugurated Arogya Van, that is a van, and Sardar Patel Zoological Park, where in Gujarat. Okay, next, which state has topped in the annual status of education report ASER 2020 for rural India? Okay, so Kerala topped in the annual status of education report 2020 for rural areas. Okay, for rural India. Okay, clear? Now, in which state India's first tire park will be launched? So India's first tire park will be launched in West Bengal. Okay, next, 1.8 km long Feni Bridge joins India with which of the following neighboring countries? So 1.8 km long, which bridge? Feni Bridge that joins India with which of the following countries? So Feni Bridge joins India with Bangladesh. Okay, clear? And that is 1.8 kilometer long. Okay, next, India's first solar power miniature train. First solar power miniature train has been launched in which state? So that is also Kerala. Okay, so first solar power miniature train launched in Kerala, and Kerala ranked first in annual status of education report. Okay, next, which ministry has organized Ganga Utsav 2020 with National Mission for Clean Ganga in November 2020? That is under the Jal Shakti mission. Okay, clear? Next, India's first solar-based integrated multi-village water supply project. So India's first solar-based integrated multi-village water supply project has been launched in which state? So that is Arunachal Pradesh. Okay, this is also very very important. You should remember the project and the missions. Okay, Jal Shakti mission and the solar based integrated multi village water supply project. Okay, clear? Next, in which state India's first tire plant? Already we read it. Okay, so now next, India's longest single lane motorable suspension bridge. So what is it? India's longest single lane motorable suspensible bridge has been inaugurated on November 9th, 2020 in Uttarakhand. Okay, very very important point. Next, which state's Tejpur Lychee has got GI tag, that is geographical indication tag, in November 2020? So Tejpur Lychee is a famous product of Assam. Okay, and that also got the GI tag in November 2020. This is also very very important for your exam point of view. Next, I will do a MCQ test also after completing the national affairs topic. Then we will start a new topic, the international affairs. Okay, so let's start, see next question. Which state has won the National Water Award for being one of the best states for water security and management in 2019? Okay, so what is the award name? National Water Award for being one of the best state for water security and management in 2019. So that is Tamil Nadu. Okay, next, which statue has been unveiled to mark the 151st birth anniversary celebration of Jainacharya Sri Vijay Vallabh Sureshwar Ji Maharaj in Rajasthan? Okay, so which state and what is which statue? So what is the name of the statue? That is Statue of Peace and dedicated to the person Jainacharya Sri Vijay Vallabh Sureshwar Ji Maharaj, and where? That is in Rajasthan, and the birth anniversary of the Jainacharya, and it was his 151st birth anniversary. Okay, so this is all for this segment. We will bring back a new segment next day. Till then, stay well, keep study, and thank you for watching this video.